There are two tillage approaches that will ameliorate non-wetting soils. You can either invert the topsoil, burying that organic layer that might be hydrophobic, or you can mix through that organic layer so that you're diluting its effect. Both these methods are effective at dealing with non-wetting. However, there are some additional risks that you need to be aware of and some additional management considerations you might have. One of the risks is acute wind erosion. So as you bury all the soil stubble and remove it during the amelioration, you can leave a paddock that is prone to blow. You can also have a paddock that is quite soft, and that will make it harder to control the depth of seeding, but also can reduce the seed to soil contact that you need. Further, by reducing the soil organic matter in the surface, the topsoil can be much more sandy, and any pre-emergent herbicide may be more active and leach more readily into the root zone, affecting your crop. If the subsoil brought to the surface has a high clay content, there can be an increased risk of surface crusting and increased evaporation. Additionally, if that subsoil has any toxic elements such as sedicity, boron or acidity, that can cause problems for the crop. It is important to consider the risks before you do any amelioration. Always test the soil to the working depth so you can understand what soil you're working with. You need to have a plan as to how you're going to seed so that you can quickly establish ground cover and avoid wind erosion. And you may need to modify current agronomic practices to get the best results.